All it takes is a sneeze from daughter M8 copyright June to send Olivia Munn into cuteness overload. On Saturday, October 19th, the actress, 44, shared a sweet video of herself holding the 1-month-old as she sneezed, causing Munn to look at her daughter in awe. In the clip, which she posted on her Instagram stories, the little one scrunches up her face to sneeze, inspiring a giggle and large smile from her mom. "That's so cute," Munn said. The mom of two captioned her adorable video with the words "Bless you." Munn and her husband, John Mulaney, welcomed M8 copyright via a gestational surrogate on September 14th, the couple announced on Instagram on September 22nd. At the time, a source close to the pair exclusively told People that they are in total bliss with M8 copyright and their 2-year-old son, Malcolm Hayapi. "After everything they have been through, there's no tighter, closer little family," the insider added. While announcing the birth of M8 copyright last month, Munn shared a bit more about how her first daughter entered her life and revealed that her name has a special significance. M8 copyright June Mulaney came into the world September 14, 2024, the year of the dragon. Munn wrote of the little one. "I had so many profound emotions about not being able to carry my daughter. When I first met our gestational surrogate, we spoke mother to mother. She showed me so much grace and understanding. I knew I had found a real-life angel. Words cannot express my gratitude that she kept our baby safe for 9 months and made our dreams come true," she continued. "I am so proud of my little plum, my little dragon, for making the journey to be with us. My heart has exploded." And, she concluded, M8 copyright pronounced Mei, means plum in Chinese. The mom of two has shared lots of sweet updates about life with the little one since she and Mulaney, 42, first announced her birth, a news that came just months after the couple tied the knot in July. In a recent post, the actress recapped the family of four's first month together. Giving a glimpse into the newborn's first month, the photo dump showed M8 copyright sitting on the couch, being cuddled by her parents and doted on by her big brother. "The first month of M8 copyright Munn captioned at the post.